KuCoin will be launching a project on their burning drop. This burning drop is airdrop, so you have to stake a token and to get this airdrop. I'm going to tell you what you need to know about this airdrop and burning drop on KuCoin. Make sure you stick to the end of this video to understand what I'm talking about. And on this channel, I normally talk about airdrop and how to make money with crypto. If this kind of video you are looking forward to, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. My mystery SUI Ecosystem project with burning drop. Right here, you have to stake to get this token. The first SUI Ecosystem project with burning drop will be available from 10 o'clock on May 6, 2023 UTC time. So during this period of subscription, KCS and SUI staking pool will be open for all users to subscribe. So you'll be able to subscribe to this pool, meaning you have to stake KCS or SUI token on this platform. So all users will be able to subscribe around this time on May 6, 2023 UTC time. So once this pool open, user will be able to subscribe to this burn drop over here. After subscribing to this burn drop, during this burning acceleration period, user who have already subscribe can choose to burn EOL token. That's the native token of KuCoin N platform. So you have to buy this on KuCoin. For you to burn this token, you have to burn this token to mine the airdrop for this event. So KuCoin will disclose information pertaining of listing of this coin on KuCoin. So make sure you stay updated on my channel and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to make additional updates when this token is being launched on KuCoin, and I'm going to give you guys updates, the timeline of this token period and burning acceleration period and the staking period. Right here, number one, subscription period 10 o'clock on May 6, 2023 to 18 o'clock on May 6, 2023 UTC time. So you'll be able to subscribe around this period of time. And the second step is burning acceleration period. Around this time, 20 o'clock on May 6, 2023 to 2 o'clock on May 7, 2023 UTC time. So this is the burning period. And remember, you will be able to burn this EOL token, the native token of KuCoin N platform. So you'll be able to burn this token if you have already buy this on their marketplace. So around this period, you'll be able to burn your token to get this airdrop. And the staking period 2 o'clock on May 7, 2023 to 1:59 minutes 59 seconds on May 7 UTC time 2023. So this is the information you need to know, you need to check, and that's the step you need to take for you to be able to get this token. This is the product details and those people who stake KuCoin pool. So 187,500 worth of KCS token, and that's how much people will be able to stake using this pool. And the ad cap per single user is 350 KCS coin, and on this SUI pool, people will be able to stake 1,400,000 of SUI token, and each ad cap per user is 2,000 worth of SUI token. So that's how much you'll be able to stake on this pool. So that's what you need to know about this burn drop on KuCoin and the reward distribution. So after buying this token on, let's say after burning your token on this platform, on this event, so the reward distribution, 20% of this token airdrop reward will be distributed before its listing started in the KuCoin sports market. So the 20% of the token airdrop reward will be distributed in the second month. So following month, they will airdrop this token again 20%, and the remaining 60% will be distributed in 30% batch every month from the second distribution. So after they have distributed this 20% from the second month, and they will continue to distribute the remaining token you have 30% every month till you receive your token. This is the information you need to check, and I'm going to leave a link in the video description for you to be able to check this article out. And I'm going to be making a video on how to show you how to burn your token and how to participate in this burning drop. So I'll be making an additional video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. I'm going to see you on the next video.